Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I just want to chat with you all and ask you all your opinion. I have tons of paper that I need to get rid of, or I'm going to just say that I want to use up. And I'll show you a picture of it. Now, I don't have as much paper as some of you guys, because some of y'all can open up your own paper store. I don't have that much paper, but I got enough. And it's more than I care to have, and most of it's been in my collection at least 2 years, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Some of it's probably been longer, some of it a little less, but I've had it a while. And what I was thinking about doing was making kits for the craft fair. And I want to call them, what are these things? I'm just going to say memory decks, not memory decks. December daily kits. That's what I want to call them, December daily kit. This is my December daily kit from 2017. This is the one I started for 2018 and didn't do anything but make the front and back covers. And I did absolutely nothing else to this thing. So, but this year I'm going to put 2019 and do a December daily. But at the craft fair, I want to have this out as like a sample so they can go through it and see, you know, what they can do, things, you know, simple stuff that they can do to make a December daily. And so what I've done is I've taken 3 separate paper pads and I just pulled out one of each sheet, because you know the recollections comes what, 48 sheets or something. I pulled out one of each sheet and the cutout page. And let me show you with this one, because this was the first one I did. So I've got a washi for each one. This would be 2. Actually, I think it'll make more than 2, but right now I'm sticking with 2. So I may just divide this between 2 books. So, and I had actually already started putting stuff and started packing it up, putting it in bags and whatever. It's like this one is one, and there are all the cutouts. This one actually comes with numbers, and then this bigger cutout right here. And then I have 2 of those. So that would be 2, and then it's got the washies in here as well. I got 2 washies, one for each kit. And then I have all this paper. And I went on and cut them all out at 4x6, 6x4, whatever however you want to say it. And I'm going to divide it up between the 2 kits. And I'm also going to put in maybe like 5 or 10 solid reds, or maybe 5 solid reds, 5 solid greens, and maybe 5 white cardstock. And I was thinking too to add like one of these things, since I showed mine and it has who's on the front. It says I got Frosty on the front of mine. I was thinking about adding one to each kit, adding one of these to each kit, because I have I think I got about 20 or 30 of these things. So just to start moving stuff out of my stash. These right here are some Dollar Tree stickers. Can you see that? Oh, no, you can't. Hold on. These right here are some Dollar Tree stickers. I can cut those up and divide them between the kits. I want to do at least 10. So right now I think I got enough for 6 kits right here. And I'm going to use these things right here. And these are from Dollar Tree, just like mine is. That was a Dollar Tree photo album. And I got 10 of these sheets. These were last year before last. I could add them into the kits. I got 1 pack of these. I wished I had 2. I thought I had 2 of these. I got one pack of those, but I can make other paper clips to add in with that. And I'm thinking too, if I could find, you know, other little things, maybe like some doilies, I may be able to add, if I could find them anyway, I could add like a doily or two to the kit. And I was actually thinking about putting these in, but now that I think about it, I think these will go better with the traveler's notebooks. So, with the really cute ones that I just done, yeah. So, anything else? Oh yeah, I got these things, and these are the little bitty pins from February, Valentine's. And then I got these right here. I cannot find the little book, of course. You know, I got the little small books that's about what, 3 by 5 maybe, and I could cover those and add a pen to it, and then that can be another thing for the craft fair. So what I want you guys to do, or what I would like from you guys, is to tell me what you think of the idea of making December daily kits. And I wouldn't charge any more than $5 for them each. Maybe if I do like $6 each or 2 for $10, that may, you know, kind of encourage some stuff. So I was thinking something like that, but $5 is really what I was thinking. Let me know if there's anything else you think I could put in these December daily kits. As long as I don't have to go and buy anything. I'm trying to pull from my stash. And I do have a case of different stickers, like candy stickers and light bulb stickers. And I got gift tags, all that stuff. I could just put just a myriad of things into a bag, another little bag, and say that it's part of the kit. Maybe even a pen. I may do that because they're gonna have to write to you know, write it, but they don't have to write. But you know, if it's gonna be a December daily, then you're gonna be doing a little bit of writing anyway. So again, if you could think of anything else, that maybe some things that you guys have in your stash that I may or may not have shown right up in this little mix. So this is a whole lot more stuff. Let me know what you think. Just give me some ideas of some other things that you have in your stash that you would probably put in this kit. Well, first of all, do you think the kit is a good idea? And then if you have stuff in your stash that you think would be excellent to put in these kits, let me know. Let me know in the comments section down below. Okay, guys? And I really would appreciate it. Okay, that's it. I would like to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.